I'm Ed Besterfeldt, and I'm with the Chemical Coaters Association International. I'd like to talk to you about the difference in pH when determining what cleaning solutions to use. We can go from an alkaline cleaner to a neutral cleaner to an acid cleaner depending on what type of soils we want to remove. Typically with organic soils like coolants, forming lubricants, rust preventatives, you use an alkaline cleaner because they are most effective there. But if you have inorganic soils like mill scale, weld scale, laser scale, they respond better to an acid solution. So sometimes we have to go one way, sometimes the other, but often parts have both organic and inorganic soils on them, and then we have a more complex approach in developing chemistry that's going to remove both of them or have two separate operations to effectively remove those soils. Regardless of the type of soils you have to remove, it's important to consult with an expert in the area who understands chemistry and understands the physics of the process and the equipment that you have to operate with.